Many makeup artists struggle with the same problem, depending only on clients for income. And the truth is, when clients slow down, so does your money. But here's the good news. The beauty industry is worth billions of dollars, and there are so many ways you can tap into it beyond just bookings. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful ways you can make money as a makeup artist, even when you're not sitting in front of a client. Stay with me until the end, because the last tip could completely change how you see your career. Number 1, content creation and monetization. If you love sharing your work online, why not make money from it? Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram actually pay creators once you build an audience. And listen, it doesn't have to be millions of followers. Even a small but engaged community can get you sponsorships and brand deals. For example, imagine posting a simple video about 3 ways to fix oily foundation, and it goes viral. Not only do you get views, but brands that sell primers or powders may reach out to you. Start by posting consistently, teach, entertain, or inspire, and over time, your content can bring you steady income. Number 2, bridal packages and luxury experiences. Brides are willing to spend more on their big day, and you can earn extra by packaging your services creatively. Instead of just charging for the bridal makeup, offer a package that includes a trial session, bridesmaid makeup, and touch-ups on the wedding day. You could even add skin prep sessions in the weeks before the wedding. This turns one booking into 3 or 4 income streams and positions you as a luxury makeup artist. I know artists who doubled their income just by restructuring their bridal services into packages. Number 3, makeup artist for events and media. Think beyond birthdays and weddings. Events, TV shows, commercials, photo shoots, and fashion shows all need makeup artists. The pay is usually better, and it gives you exposure to a professional network. For example, being the makeup artist on a music video shoot may take just 1 day, but you could earn what you'd normally make in 3 regular bookings. Start by networking with photographers, stylists, and event planners in your area. They are often the bridge to these opportunities. Number 4, subscription or membership programs. This is a hidden gem that not many makeup artists are using. You can create a community where people pay monthly for access to your knowledge. It could be a private WhatsApp group, a Telegram group, or even a Patreon page. Inside, you share exclusive tutorials, business tips, or even do Q&A sessions. The beauty is, if 50 people pay you $10 every month, that's $500 steady income, even before touching a brush. It doesn't have to be complicated. Consistency and value are what keep members paying.